Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to stop ads on YouTube. Everyone facing the same problem. Just follow this method. Let's go. Okay guys, open your PC or laptop, any browser. Type this Chrome extension and click the first link. Open. Watch this video until the end, only you know how to do this. Guys, once open the link, you can see the center has search box. Okay, once type, you can see the lot of option available: PDF ad blocks, unlimited ad blocks, etc. We no need these things. Just select ad blocks for YouTube. Click add to Chrome and then click add to extension. You can see the difference between previous you are watching YouTube and now you are watching YouTube. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon in next video.